Like how we practice here. Asana, it's just asana. We just have one word asana, and you can see yourself how many asanas we practice. If you practice correctly one asana, done. That's enough. You don't have to do upside down. You don't have to balance on one hand, one leg. Nothing. It's not needed at all. See, the basic meaning, the core meaning of asana, if you take, asana is that position where you're comfortably seated and there's absolutely no discomfort at all. So if I just sit like this in cross-legged position, I'm comfortable and I can sit like this throughout the day. That's an indication, okay, I have gained mastery over the asana practice. I don't have to do Shirshasana, I don't have to do Sarvangasana, I don't have to do hand balancing, nothing is needed. Why? I am very comfortable in just sitting in just normal cross-legged posture. I have realized the truth just by doing this one. But when you come for the first time and you say, okay, I want to learn, if I just tell you, okay, sit in cross-leg and think about, have this approach, you will definitely leave the following day itself. Or probably you leave the moment I share something like that. So for you to come to this reality and understand this, we do all these things. For you to sit comfortably, since you're not comfortable with yourself, since there's a lot of uneasiness in you, since there's a lot of discomfort in you, we direct all that energy through the asana practice. This is what is happening. It is not necessary that you have to do all these asanas only then you reach there. If you have this subtle understanding, that's enough. You sit, you cross the legs, you sit comfortably, done. Since you have not reached this ultimate truth with respect to the reality of what asana is, you do hundreds of different asanas. Why? So that you reach this understanding. This is the true meaning of the word asana as it is explained in the Hatha Yoga.